What's the one thing that you can do that by doing it, everything else either falls into place or just becomes irrelevant? This ability to focus on one thing instead of multitasking, instead of being busy, instead of having a scattered brain with scattered activities throughout the day. That's the theme of this book, The One Thing. It really is applicable, especially if you are running a business, but it is applicable in all kinds of areas. If you are developing a hobby, if you just want to get yourself more organized, if you just want to feel less reactive and more in control, you just work out what is that big North Star? What is that one thing that you need to follow? A lot of examples that come from business and from some of the big stories in business and in other fields. So it's a really helpful book if you are starting a business or a bit overwhelmed in your own business. The One Thing. It's a great read, good storytelling, which makes it always a lot easier to read and to absorb. And also, the author is somebody who has gone through some struggles and really had to, when he was running his own company, really had to focus on that one thing that made everything else just fall into place. It's a really good read.